Hey guys, welcome back to a YouTube video, and today, all by myself, and today I went to the mall with my dad and my brother, and I got some cool stuff. I got 2 bags, and I paid for everything myself. Well, besides the pretzel bites and that one shirt. Anyways, first, wait, before I show you anything, I have to tell you guys, we are saying goodbye. Yeah, we're saying goodbye. It's gonna be the last video. And I'm just kidding. If you guys really thought that we were gonna say goodbye to this channel, I was just kidding. We are saying goodbye to the name of our channel. That's right. We're officially changing our channel name to KK Show. Yeah, it's going to be officially KK Show. If you guys want to, watch KK Show, then subscribe. Turn on post notifications and hit that like button. Okay, so I have a matching shirt and some matching shoes. So this shirt is white, and it has bands with heart on it, and then it has one sleeve with checkers pattern and a butterfly on it. And so I was like, I'm totally doing this because it's so cute, and I love butterfly design stuff. So I was just looking at the shoes, I wasn't really expecting you to buy me some shoes, but I did. So this is the receipt. It cost $94.87, and I paid half of it with my own credit card, so So I got me some brand shoes, and so when I saw these shoes, I was about to pass out. It matches with my shirts. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, I was not expecting to see matching shoes with the shirt. They were high tops and low tops, and I have a lot of high top fans, and I don't really have I only have like a few pair of low tops, and this might be my fifth pair of those top shoes. So you might be seeing me wearing this a lot because this is like so cute and I love it. Okay. So that's one thing, but it's not everything. If you thought that was all, you're crazy. That's not everything, sweetheart. No. That's not how we roll. We have another bag. So as you can see, we went to box lunch. It sounds like it's supposed to be like box lunch. Smaller seat. But this time, this stuff cost $35. It costs $35, and I got one thing. One of those shirts, they have such cute stuff. Before I show you this, they have such cute stuff, like SpongeBob stuff, Gotama stuff, Minnie Mouse stuff, anime shirts, like this stuff. This place is fantastic. So I saw this adorable shirt, and I got it. It looks pretty big, but and it has 2 different colors on the sleeve, dark blue and yellow, and then the collar is red, and it's a little bear, and it's so cute. says num num num, and then it says burger time. There was this Gote Thomas shirt. I was literally about to cry because I didn't even see the back. There was a Gote Thomas shirt, and it was like ramen noodles on the front, and then on the back it said with the Gote on top. I'm so mad I did not get that shirt. Anyways, I love this shirt. Even better if I got the other one, but you know. That was a pretty short unboxing. But yeah, if you guys want to see more like me playing Roblox, me playing Among Us, me playing Hotel Hideaway, then just comment down below and tell me what you guys want to watch me see. See me. Comment if you guys want to watch me. If you guys want to watch me play anything like Roblox, Among Us, or Hotel Hideaway, or anything on Xbox or anything like that, just comment down below any game that you would like to see me play, and I'll try and convince my parents. If I don't have it, I'll try and convince my parents if they can get it for me, or if I can get it. So then, y'all can, yeah. And our show is going to be a little bit different, so you guys are going to comment down below some colors, and we're going to get some more followers and stuff. But you guys are going to comment down below some colors, and whoever has, and whatever color there is the most, whatever color has the most votes, then we're going to pick a color, and we're going to either do like make that color slime, or eat that color foods, or do stuff with that color all day. We can do makeup that color, nails that color, anything. Like, we'll just think of anything, and got a problem with it. Anyways, I'm just kidding. So yeah, like, you guys can comment down below like color and what you want us to do, like play that game with and wear that color outfit on the game, or eat that color, anything you could think of that we could do with that color that you picked. Comment the color and what you want us to do with that color down below, and we'll try to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.